Alright, boys and girls, this is Chuck E. Cheese during coronavirus. So, they only do takeouts. So you open for delivery and takeout. Pretty cool. Let's go see. Me and Eli's gonna push it. We went to the wait. See, large cheese pizza, large pepperoni carry out, wings. Let's go over here. You can't. They're only open for takeout. Eli, don't touch it. Open for delivery and takeout. Look at that. Oh, that's actually cute. Somebody drew like a face. Like, look at that. They did a good job. Oh, look at that. And Eli's right there. Smells good though. Smells like pizza. Oh, this is how it looks like during coronavirus. Hey, how you doing? Yeah, I will place an order. I just want to see too how it's looking like right now. I'm just curious. Yeah, it looks so different, especially the animatronics aisle down there. It's like, no, no, sir. Sorry. Oh, yes, sir. Look at that. Wow. Oh, yes, sir. No problem. Thank you. I'm just gonna film like right over here. Thank you. No, sir. We're not gonna go past the line. We're gonna respect the boundaries, sir. Oh, look at that. The animatronic area looks so, like, I don't know, creepy. But no, I can see Pasquale from here. Look at that. It's like it looks so different. Nice. Alright, we're gonna place an order, sir. Large cheese pizza, please, if you don't mind. Yeah. Yes, sir. Oh, thank you very much.
While you're waiting on your pizza, okay?
Thank you. Oh, look at that. What did you say? No, you did not say something, sir.
You're welcome. You're very welcome.
No, look at you. Yeah. Yeah. You want to open it? We open it when we get home. Yeah. I'll hold your hand. I'll hold your hand. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much. Oh, look at that.
Have a good day, young man.
So what do you say?
Thank you.
No, you look at him and say, thank you, sir.
You're very
All
welcome.
right, look at this. Thank you, thank you.
Enjoy this beautiful weather.
Oh yeah, it's nice. We just got look at the donuts. Look.
Look
We
at
got
the shamrock. With the
This is
shamrock.
so cool. The
The
leprechaun.
leprechaun.
Oh, the chocolate ice shamrock sprinkles. Wow, everything is green. That's kind of cool. I like that. Yes, excuse me. Oh, they have an original glaze, but it's green. Yes?
Go order.
What do you want, Eli?
Okay. What do you want? The original?
Yeah, he wants the original. Okay.
Surprise!
Yeah.
Oh, look at the feet.
There's the leprechaun feet. Yeah.
Oh, the sprinkles. I love the sprinkles.
I love the sprinkles. Ooh.
Look at mine. Look at my hand.
Ah.
Green. Is it creamy and yummy? Look, I finished mine. Take a bite. Green.
I like. So the meat section, the meat section is completely gone. It's crazy. Like, what in the world? Oh, look at that. Wow. Everybody's getting pastas. Look at this. Empty. Well, no, there's some. There's some more left. Like quinoa. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, we can have some, but like there's a couple more like organic ones and like gluten-free pastas and stuff. But other than that, look. They still have some more, but it's like lasagna and stuff. Yeah. Oh, look at the bread. Yeah. People are hoarding bread too? It's okay. Like, it's crazy. Oh, look at this canned vegetable area. Oh, look. Hey, that's crazy. Dun, 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 the most awaited section. Paper towels, bath tissue. Let's go. Bum, 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 bum. Bath tissue. Look at that, boys and girls. Liquid hand soaps. It's all gone, people. Paper towel is gone. She's not gonna push you faster. But, yeah, we're still good.
You wanna get
Alright, boys and girls, so this is how the mall looking like right now during the coronavirus scare. Everything, oh, Hot Topics closed.
yeah, it's just you sit down and relax.
I'm too small.
You can do it.
Cat house. Cat door. Oh, it only goes outward. Okay. We might have to fix that. How are they gonna come out? You can just lay it down on the floor. Thank you. Yeah, I think that's just styrofoam. Yay! Good job, just put it in there, thank you. Alright, that was easy. He just put a bolt in there.
I give it crumble.
So sprinkly.
It's sprinkled.
Oh, glittery stuff.
You put
There's a long one.
Nice. Look at that. Now we all we need is a roof. Easy peasy. Oh, nice. Come here, baby boy. Come here, baby boy. Come here. Come here. Come here, Bubba's. Come here. Good. Good boy. Look at that. Mama got you a house. Oh, look. No, leave him alone. Oh, he loves it. Let's see. Oh, hello. Oh. Hello. Eli, no, sir. Hi. Hi, how do you love your house? Eli, sir.
Ah, my hand.
Yeah, that's why I told you don't put your hands in there. Be nice.
Where did Kitty go? Look, he's right
Yeah. There you go. Nice and comfy.